Hey guys, Todd here. Today we're going to install the Lund Elite in-channel vent visors on this new body style Toyota Tundra Crew Max. Now this is the same installation for most in-channel products on this application. Let's go ahead and get started. This is going to be installing inside the window channel. This is adhesive that's going to stick to the inside. So what we're going to do is we're going to see where this adhesive is going to attach. Here's our channel right here. There's going to be a felt on the inside of that channel. What we need to do before we get started is take our Scotch-Brite pad that comes in our kit, and we're going to need to buff that felt on the inside. Next, we're going to go ahead and open up one of our included alcohol prep pads and thoroughly clean the inside of that felt that we just scuffed up. Okay, so I've already gone ahead and pulled back a couple of inches of the tape protector on each side. Next, we've also got a little tab that comes off the end of this that actually goes between the window frame and this piece of plastic. So I'm going to go ahead and feed that through and then pull down. I want to get down low enough to where this end can go up behind the channel. I'm going to press in a little bit as I lift it up into the channel so the adhesive doesn't grab until I want it to. Once everything is in place, I'm going to go ahead and pull the adhesive into the channel so that it can start to bond. Then we can just pull and push the adhesive into the channel to get a good bond there. Well, if your truck is like this one, it's going to have an anti-pinch feature, so if you just try to put up the window, it's going to sense that extra resistance and then bounce right back down. So what we're going to do is we're going to very slowly just bump the window up. When it gets to where it's about to hit the window guard, we're going to just lift up on the window guard. Until it's all the way in place. Just like on the front, I went ahead and I buffed the inside of the channel with the Scotch-Brite pad. Then I went back and thoroughly cleaned it with one of my included alcohol prep pads. Next, I went ahead and pulled back the tape on each side, making sure it's facing down. Now what I can do is set it inside the channel. What I'm going to do is push it against the channel to the inside until I get it fit into place. Once it's in place, I can go ahead and pull it into the channel where the adhesive is hitting the channel. Then just like on the front, peel it back in sections and attach it. All right, now I can put up the window just like I did on the front door. Well, just repeat the exact same process on the opposite side and that will conclude the installation. It is advised to keep the windows up for 72 hours to get good adhesion. If you have any questions, call the experts or visit us online.